So hello guys, I am Ayush and today I'm going to show you how FTP file transfer protocol works on application layer. I will be using Cisco Packet Tracer, that is a networking simulation tool by Cisco to gain some hands-on experience. In this demonstration, I'm going to use two PC, one server and switches and router to form a network together. Okay, I will be using a concept of IP addressing in this demonstration, and I will discuss the concept of IP address in some another video. Let me go ahead to build a network and I will continue. So guys, I have built a general network we use in computer networking. There are two PCs connected with a switch, and switch is connected to a network router, and router is connected to another network server. So let's set up the important concept we are discussing, FTP. So here, and we go to FTP services, and this is the important thing you should know how it works, file transfer protocol. So there are two PCs. So here we have to create username password with some permission. So let us consider that this is a network called student and this is network called teacher. Here a student is going to send something to the teacher network using file transfer protocol, and it is using the file transfer protocol from the server. We will register the users, both the users at the server, and the student and teacher is going to put the data on the server, and same vice versa. Another what is getting data from the server. There are two methods, put and get. When we are sending something to the server, we are putting it, we have to use put, and we are get some, when downloading from the server, we set a get request. So let's set up a server. Here I'm going to register student with password 123 with permissions. I have take all the permissions I will give, and I will click add and then save. Don't forget to add and then click on the user and save. Let's create a, let's register a user called teacher and I will be using same password. Then add and then click on teacher and then save to the server. My student and teacher users are saved. So now my student client is PC0 and teacher client is PC1 with network ID 198.168.1.1, that is class C address, and I will be discussing this concept in my next video. So guys, we have successfully registered two users PC0 is student and PC1 is teacher. Now let's connect to that server from PC0 that is student want to connect. So you have to go open the PC0 desktop and then you will see command prompt. We will this command line connect to the server that is network and I will 198. Let's try 2.1. That is my server address. Someone would think that that is my server address. I would connect to that server only. So you will get an error. You will not be able to connect to that server due to some privacy issue. If you directly connecting to that server IP address, it's really vulnerable, guys. It's really vulnerable. You should connect to that network address, not to that server directly. If think that there is lots of server in this network, we have to do some operations from server 0 to 2, 1, 2, 3. There are 5 server letter thing. So how the user from here will know how will my operation flow in that network. So there is an address provided by the router, that is network address. The clients use that address to access all the servers. So let us open PC0 and we will connect to that network and it is asking my username. So for PC0, my username is student and my password is 123. Noted, guys. You when you enter the password, you remember it is not visible here, but you have to think that you have correctly filled the password and then you will press enter. And guys, see that I am successfully logged in into the server we have created. Okay, we have successfully logged in into our network. So let's put the file here. Uh, Let me think, guys. I have not created that file. So we have I will open text editor and I will type here hello world and save with hello.txt. Okay, then go to command prompt and I will put here hello.txt. Guys, there is a command called put. When we are sending something to the network, that is server side network, we have to use command put. When we are sending something from client side to server side, we have to use put command. Okay, and the text file name is format. And we will press enter. And I will get a message that I have successfully transfer complete. Okay, to that network ID. So let's close here and I will jump into PC1 and I will go to desktop, PC1, desktop and command prompt. I will connect to that server. So my username is teacher and my password is same as that. So I'm successfully logged into that network and I will get that file I have put it on the server side. So what is the file name? hello.txt. When we are downloading something from the server side to the client side, we use get command. Okay guys, noted? We use get command and when we will press enter, it will show transfer complete. Okay, complete network, that network. And that's the demonstration, guys. So I prefer a good practice to disconnect to the server. Press Control C in Windows to disconnect to the server and the terminal, and let it connect here or disconnect here. So I have successfully disconnected from the server from the both and PCs, and here is the server, and both the users are registered. So guys, that's from my side. So see you in the next video. Thank you.